Hey, 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 ice, drip, white, wrist, bad, bitch.
What is up, guys? TK's Garage here. We're taking a look at a beautiful Mustang, or so you would think. We took a walk around with this while I was out chilling with Auto Auction Rebuilds, aka Randy, if you didn't know. And yeah, it looks like it's got a performance package hood, right? But look at these gaps. Anytime you see something that looks like it's too good to be true with the price, it always makes sense to Google that friggin' VIN number. And what you do that, when you go to Google and you look at that VIN number, it may change your entire perception of what you see is available as a car. Now, just looking at this thing, it looks nice, right? Nice V6 3.7 liter Mustang. You think you're going to get a good value of it. You could probably pick it up, for like $6 grand. And then you Google the VIN number. And it's like American Horror Story. Here we go. You get to see the things that are actually wrong with the vehicle. Here's what it looked like before the shop that took care of it with the correct hood and stuff did to it. It took a massive hit. Look at the damage on this car. Now, that's not to say don't go buy something at COPART because it's not a good deal. Because that's not the case. It's actually a very good deal when you look at what you're getting, as long as you understand what you're getting. This car could probably have alignment issues for its entire life. You're going to have those panel gaps. But for, like Randy was saying to me, like if a kid that's going to college or a father that's just trying to buy his daughter a car, to take them to school, it's not a bad deal when you consider what you're getting for the price. Now, V6 Mustangs have always been cheap, obviously. They're never, super expensive anyway, not wrecked. But to see one of these, especially with the V6 totaled like that, look, it always makes sense to Google the VIN number. Even if you see one out there and it's a flood car or something along those lines, it always makes sense to Google the VIN number, because then, look, stuff like this automatically pops up. A shop basically bought this car, took it in, gave it a very quick paint job, and I didn't even get a chance to really get into the paint to show you the overspray and stuff on it. Gave it a really quick paint job, threw a Mustang performance package hood on it, put a new, cheap grill in it, and the whole front end and stuff wasn't even tightened up. I think we even show that in the video too. Like the whole front end wasn't even completely bolted down. So basically, this is a quick flip car by a body shop. They basically purchased this wrecked, rebuilt it, and they're basically running it back through the auction. It's common practice, in case you didn't know. That's why if you're going to buy something from COPART or IAA or pretty much any auction platform, make sure to just Google the VIN. It's a fairly simple practice to do, and get as much information as you can. I'd also recommend pulling a Carfax, and it will give you a lot more information about the car that you're about to invest your money in. So anyways, let me know what you guys think in the description. Not in the description, in the comments down below. And if this video helped you, let me know.